guys.
Hi, guys. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday, yes. September 28th.
Yes. So it's the beginning of the second 6 weeks. Your second 6 weeks as a remote learner. Just to let you know that the class is going to be a little bit smaller. You will only be Zooming with Coach Raymond. So if you were Zooming with Miss Whitaker last 6 weeks, you will not. You will be with Coach Raymond.
And you should have received a schedule from Ms. Spicola, an updated schedule, and it will have all your classes again listed. And I think even Ms. Spicola tried to tell you the Zoom times for each class, so make sure you pay attention to those things.
Yes. Okay. All right, so let's start off like we always do. Make sure we're positive and ready to learn. Okay, right. So let's breathe and smile. So let's breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in one more time and out. Smile, even though I know it's Monday, but we have some cooler weather coming. It's going to feel like fall.
It's almost October.
Yes, yay. Exciting things are happening, guys. Exciting things are happening.
Okay, so we're going to start off today pretty basic because it's such a transition face-to-face at school. So it's pretty basic for remote learners today. We're going to summarize Chapter 11, which is what you read last week, and you're going to be reading Chapter 12 today and filling in your reading log online. Okay, so when you're summarizing something, a fiction story or a fiction text, make sure that you're using the CPR strategy, okay? C stands for character. P stands for problem. R stands for resolution.
And guys, the reason why we use this is because at a very, very basic level, the elements of plot, that's what it is.
Exactly.
It's just real quick, to the point. When you read a fiction, it has characters, they have a problem, they get it resolved.
You know, Ms. Claus and I are going to challenge you. When you're watching a show or a movie, we're going to challenge you to summarize it with CPR now. Like if you're going to tell your mom about it or your dad or your sibling.
Or a friend. You want to watch it?
Yes. Summarize it using CPR. Who are the main characters? Because there's probably going to be a couple in a movie. What's the problem that they're trying to solve? And then what was the resolution? How was the problem solved? See if you can do that.
Yeah.
It'll be a little bit longer than maybe like our summaries.
So maybe like a 30-minute, even cartoons.
Yeah.
You do cartoons, 30-minute cartoons.
You can summarize.
Yes. I like that idea.
So we're going to challenge you to try that. And if you ever do one or you want to share with Ms. Raymond, Coach Raymond, or if you want to write a comment, we'll look at it.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
Great idea. Great idea.
So we're going to kind of set this up for you. We want you to think about it, but you're going to actually write the summary today on your own, and you're going to turn it in through Google Classroom, okay, on a Google Doc. And you'll see the instructions, and you'll see the Google Doc. But let's think about the character in Chapter 11, okay, or the characters, all right? You need to go back and look at your text. Do that, because you can see it electronically, okay? What is the problem going on? And if you're not sure what the problem is, go look at the end of the chapter and see what was kind of solved. What do you think, what was a solution to a problem at the very end of the chapter? Okay, and then that can help you figure out what the problem is. And you might want to take notes using the CPR little note-taking strategy that Ms. Claus and I have shown you, and then write your little summary. It might be 3 sentences.
Right. Okay. I kind of like that. Miss Wiley, if you guys look up here, right beside character, I would put a dash like this, and then I would type out the characters that actually have speaking parts. Be careful with Silas or King George. They should have speaking parts. But I would list them, and then down here under problem, that's where I would write it. Doesn't have to be in a complete sentence. And then resolution, again, same thing. Then underneath, come down like Miss Wiley always does, and put that together in a paragraph form. Even if it's just, can't see my fingers, 3 sentences, that's fine. Yeah. That's fine to start out that way. We just want you, I find it easier to do that little, my hands are, sorry, the grocery list first, then to try to write it. So you can see it and you could change things if you want to. I agree. Okay.
And we will tell you, we've been grading some CBAs today, or this weekend. And a lot of the questions that were missed are the summary questions. And we've been practicing this, but we keep telling you that they're the most missed questions, and we've got to keep practicing this, and we got to get better, and we can. Okay?
Yes,
we know
absolutely.
You can.
Okay, so once you create your summary of chapter 11, you're going to turn that in. Okay, so make sure you turn it in, and you are going to read chapter 12, and you're going to continue to fill in your reading log, your surprise and your question for chapter 12. And that's all you have for today. Mm-hmm. That's it.
Right. That's right.
Okay. So remember that you get to decide what kind of day you're having.
And keep smiling.
See you guys tomorrow.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.